Nationwide, we continue to see encouraging signs. In the last 7 days, nationwide cases declined by 14%. Hospitalizations decreased by 7%. Fatalities decreased by 9%. Arizona and Florida are improving rapidly, with fewer patients coming to emergency rooms by far, as well as decreasing cases, decreasing fatalities, and expanded hospital capacities. So we have an expanded hospital capacity. It's pretty dramatic when you look at it, meaning we have more room should we need it. So a lot of tremendous work has been done. In Texas, likewise, the number of patients going to emergency rooms has dropped from July by more than 2/3. That's a lot. Nevertheless, we continue to monitor Texas very closely. Terrific governor, terrific people working on that whole situation in Texas, especially at its test positivity rate, which rose over 20% this weekend. Overall, cases in Texas are coming down and have stabilized in the border counties. That's, again, where you have the wall and you're next to, in some cases, the wall. In some cases, you'll have it very shortly. You'll have it all built within a number of months. But those areas were hit very hard, and there are likely cases from Mexico that come in, back and forth from the border. They come in legally. As doctors have found more effective ways to treat patients, the fatality rate continues to improve. Texas has 1/6 the fatality rate of New York and New Jersey that they had in April. And if you look at New York and New Jersey, they work very, very hard, but very heavy density, and there are a lot of different kinds of difficulty. The fatality rates in Florida and Arizona are between 25 and 33% of the peak rates of New York and New Jersey. Again, different climate, a different grouping, different density, tremendously different density. In California, the situation is starting to stabilize and improve throughout the major metropolitan areas. Statewide, hospitalizations continue to decline very substantially, with about 20% fewer inpatients now than on July 21st. California is starting to really show signs of correcting. We're monitoring regions with increasing cases, including Boston, Chicago, and the Midwest, and we're monitoring them very, very strongly and very, very hard. I do want to say that I think at the end of a fairly short period of time, you're going to be in very, very good shape all over our country.